Hello everyone, welcome back to Old Coin Vault. Today we are talking about a very interesting coin, the 5 cents 2011 Canada coin. At first look, this coin feels very normal. Many people ignore it. Many people spend it without thinking. But what if I tell you that one small coin could be worth up to $230 million? Yes, you heard that right. So stay with me till the end, because today I will explain everything in full detail: how to identify it, why it is rare, and how you can check if you have one. Let us start. The 5 cents coin from Canada is also known as the nickel. It has a long history. Canada started making this coin many years ago. Over time the design changed, but one thing stayed special: the beaver design on the back. Now let us talk about the 2011 version. In 2011, Canada produced millions of 5 cents coins. Most of them are very common. Their value is just 5 cents, but a few rare pieces are different. These rare coins are the ones collectors are searching for. So what makes this coin special? First, minting errors. Some 2011 coins were made with mistakes. These mistakes can increase value a lot. For example, off-center strike, double die effect, weak strike, or wrong metal composition. If your coin has any unusual feature, it can be very valuable. Second, condition matters. If the coin is in perfect condition, like uncirculated or mint state, its value increases. A shiny coin with no scratches can attract collectors. Third, rare variations. Sometimes a small change in design or lettering can make a coin rare. Even a tiny difference can turn a normal coin into a treasure. Now let us talk about the big number, $230 million. This number is not for every coin. It represents extreme rarity. It means a one-of-a-kind coin, a coin with a unique error or historical importance. These types of coins are very rare, almost impossible to find, but not impossible. There have been stories where people found valuable coins in pocket change, in old jars, in family collections. So how can you check your coin? Step 1. Look closely at the date. Make sure it says 2011. Step 2. Check the front side. You will see Queen Elizabeth II. Look for any doubling in letters or design. Step 3. Check the back side. The beaver image should be clear. Look for any unusual marks or errors. Step 4. Check the edges and metal color. If it looks different from normal coins, that could be a sign. Step 5. Use a magnifying glass. Small details matter a lot. If you think your coin is special, do not clean it. Cleaning can reduce value. Keep it safe. Put it in a protective holder. Next step is professional grading. Send your coin to a certified grading company. They will check authenticity and condition. Collectors trust graded coins more. That means higher value. Now let us talk about reality. Not every 2011 coin is worth millions. Most are common, but rare ones do exist. And those rare coins can change your life. That is why coin collecting is exciting. You never know what you might find. Many people start this hobby for fun, but later they discover valuable coins. Some even build a full business from it. So always check your coins before spending them, especially older or unusual ones. Before we end, here is a quick tip. Always store your coins properly, keep them dry, avoid touching the surface too much, use gloves if possible. This helps maintain condition and value. Alright, that is all for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Old Coin Vault. Share this video with your friends and family, maybe they have a rare coin too. And tell me in the comments, have you ever found a rare coin? Today we are diving into a fascinating story. A small coin with a massive mystery, the 5 cents 2011 Canada coin. At first glance, this coin looks ordinary. Many people see it every day. Many people ignore it. Some even throw it away without thinking. But what if I told you that one rare version of this coin could be worth up to $230 million? Yes, this is not a joke. But there is a catch. Not every coin has this value. Only the rarest and most unique examples can reach such a level. So today I will guide you step by step. We will explore its history, its design, its rare features, its errors, and how you can check your own coins at home. Make sure you stay until the end. because one small detail could change everything. Let us begin. The Canadian 5-cent coin is often called the nickel. It has been part of Canadian currency for many years. The design has changed over time, but one symbol has remained iconic: the beaver. The beaver represents hard work and strength. It is one of the most recognized symbols of Canada. Now let us focus on the year 2011. In 2011, Canada produced a large number of 5-cent coins. Most of these coins entered circulation and were used in daily life. Because of this, many people believe all 2011 coins are common. But that is not the full story. Among millions of normal coins, a few rare pieces were created. These rare coins were made due to mistakes during the minting process or unique variations that were never meant to happen. These are the coins collectors search for. Now let us talk about the design. On the front side you will see Queen Elizabeth II. Her portrait has been used on Canadian coins for decades. Around the portrait you will find lettering that shows her name and title. On the back side you will see the famous beaver. The beaver sits on a rock surrounded by water. Above it you will see the word Canada. Below it you will see the value of 5 cents. The design looks simple, but every small detail matters. Now we move to the most important part. Why can this coin reach an extreme value like $230 million? The answer lies in rarity and uniqueness. First factor is minting errors. Minting errors happen when something goes wrong during production. These errors are not planned, they are accidents, but in the world of coin collecting, accidents can become treasures. Let me explain some important error types. Off-center strike. This happens when the coin design is not properly aligned. Part of the design appears shifted. Double die error. This occurs when the design is stamped more than once slightly off position. This creates a shadow-like effect on letters or numbers. Clipped blanchette. This is when a part of the coin is missing due to a cutting mistake. Wrong metal composition. Sometimes a coin is struck on the wrong metal. This makes it extremely rare. Die cracks or die breaks. These appear as lines or raised marks on the surface. Any of these errors can increase value, but the rarer the error, the higher the price. Second factor is condition. Condition plays a huge role in value. A coin in mint state condition is far more valuable than a worn coin. Mint state means the coin looks almost perfect. No scratches, no damage, strong details, original shine. Collectors and investors always prefer high-quality coins. Third factor is rarity. If only a few coins with a specific error exist, then collectors will compete to own them. This drives the price higher. Now let us talk about the extreme value claim, $230 million. This number represents a theoretical maximum for a one-of-a-kind coin. A coin that is unique in the world. A coin with historical importance or a never-seen-before error. Such coins are extremely rare, almost impossible to find, but history shows that surprising discoveries do happen. There have been cases where rare coins were found in pocket change, in old collections, in forgotten boxes. This is why checking your coins is so important. Now let me guide you on how to check your own 2011 Canada 5-cent coin. Step 1. Confirm the date. Make sure it clearly shows 2011. Step 2. Inspect the front side. Look closely at the portrait and letters. Check for doubling or unusual shapes. Step 3. Inspect the back side. Look at the beaver design. Check for missing details or strange marks. Step 4. Examine the edges. The edges should be smooth. Any unusual cut or shape could be important. Step 5. Check the color and weight. If the coin looks different from others, it may be special. Step 6. Use magnification. A magnifying glass helps reveal hidden details. Step 7. Compare with a normal coin. Differences become easier to spot. If you find something unusual, do not clean the coin. Cleaning can damage the surface and reduce value. Instead, store the coin safely. Use a protective holder. Keep it in a dry place. Next step is professional grading. Send your coin to a trusted grading company. Experts will examine it and give it a grade. This increases trust and value in the market. Now let us talk about mindset. Coin collecting is not just about money, it is about history, discovery, and patience. Every coin tells a story: where it came from, how it was made, and who used it. Sometimes a simple coin can carry a hidden treasure. This is what makes this hobby exciting. You never know what you might find. Many successful collectors started with just a few coins. Over time they learned, they explored, and they built valuable collections. You can do the same. Start by checking your pocket change, ask your family members, look into old jars or boxes. You might be closer to a rare coin than you think. Before we finish, let me give you some important tips. Always handle coins carefully. Avoid touching the surface directly. Store coins in proper holders. Learn about coin grading. Stay updated with market trends. Knowledge is your biggest advantage. Alright, that brings us to the end of today's deep guide on the 5 cents 2011 Canada coin. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to Old Coin Vault. Share this video with others who love coins. And comment below, have you ever found a rare coin in your life? Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.